Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Mitsubishi Mirage. Keeping your car's clock accurate is important for your daily schedule and vehicle functions. We'll cover the straightforward steps to adjust the time, ensuring your display always shows the correct hour and minute. Whether you have a basic audio system or a touchscreen, these instructions will help you quickly get your clock set. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on or accessory position without starting the engine. For models with physical buttons, look for a DISP or clock button on your audio unit. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until the clock display begins to flash. If you have a touchscreen, navigate to the main screen, then tap Apps or Setup, and then select Settings to find the clock option. Once the clock display is flashing, you can begin adjusting the time. If using physical buttons, use the track up and track down or arrow buttons to change the hours. After setting the hour, press the DISP or clock button again. This will make the minutes digit flash. Now, use the same track or arrow buttons to set the correct minutes. To finalize your clock setting, press the DISP or clock button one last time. This will stop the display from flashing and save your new time. If you're using a touchscreen, simply select SET or return to the main menu to apply the changes. Remember to make these adjustments when daylight saving time begins or ends, ensuring your Mitsubishi Mirage always shows the precise time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.